mighty Jaja bless me. Ooh, I'm in the midst of strangers. Oh, yeah. Strangers without love and mercy. Strangers without dignity. Strangers who don't want to live in harmony. Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me, without second bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me. Feeling sad and lonely, the reason why the phone is battling, pick up the phone and call me, don't you know I'm there in a hurry, it's a love, it's a phone, it's a squeeze, it's alright, fill up the empty space inside, just to love you, to touch you, to hold you so right. Making love right through the night, 'cause I love you. Yeah, I love you. Yeah, 'cause you're my sweet baby. I say you're my sweet baby. Come again. My sweet lady.
Yeah, man, we are grind up some pimento beans, isn't it? Grind up everything together now, you see me? Love me and you here, but you never them here, you're always on the run, now tell me this. Yeah man, grind everything up together, you know? Sea creature we are bad up today, you know? Tell me why it hurts so bad, badang.
Love so nice. Tell me why I'm sad. If love so nice, tell me why it hurts so bad, badang. If love so nice, tell me why I'm sad.
Oh yes, in stock. See the creature them well clean out and nice, you know? I already wash everything with green lime. Can use vinegar, can use lemon, isn't it? Feed me generously, man. Welcome from far. As long as we live on Mars, I got hurt. You know what this is dirt.
Now look at me.
At a 2:45.
I wanna go home. That's where I should be. Don't know what to do or what I should say. Gotta make up my mind
Before night turns to day.
Alright, she told me
I'll be waiting for you, honey.
I'll make something special for you. Now how am I gonna enter? I can't afford to wake her with lipstick stains.
I got to be too. Yeah, man, and some snapper, you seen it? Yeah, man, some snapper we have bad up in the night. With some shrimp, you know, some vegetable and some shrimp. See, we got the shrimp there. Yeah, man, we take off the skin and we clean it out, you know, and wash it. Yeah, man, if you don't just reach, man, some sea creature we have bad up, man, you know? Yeah, man. Brown, thanks for the correction of some snapper, you know? Some red snapper. I start up the stove you know, and start up the engine. But you know the shrimp are the last we go in. Franchise. Big up for the follow. Say that big man don't cry. Alright, we have to put that one off now. Isn't it? This is going last. You don't need this right yet, you know? Put that on the side. Start up the engine. I'll fry them. Go on. We'll turn the stove on. We have some okra here, so we go bad up. Don't love you. You know how much I love you.
And it's not that I found somebody to take the place of you, but it's just a feeling, baby. When you touch my hand, prime time. Alright. And it feels that shakes my body, and I don't understand. So I'm leaving. It's time to play.
Some pumpkin or something, you know.
Walk away from love.
Brussels sprout body, you know. Try it. Yeah man, big up for the share now. Share the live, tap up the screen, follow the page. And just good vibes over here, so you see me? I bad up some food right now. Ah, me that. Might get right.
Even though me still me blood a boy, one look below the waist and me humble like a child. Can't help it, me couldn't hide the feeling. Plus I'm a teen with the more sweet things in your home and I'm gonna put you down, baby. Hold you down, baby. Him say go and put on you down, baby. And before you know it is another baby.
Look at that. Yeah man, have some good food I cook tonight, you know. And before you know, I will go and get heated, isn't it? We are going to multitask, we are fry and we are cut up these in the meantime. We go and cook down and then we are going to bad up the shrimp in it, maybe put a one sea creature in it. And then some of them are going to dry and then we cook some rice. Isn't it? So make the oil go and hot now. Isn't it? Yeah man, all of them here we are putting it, isn't it? JC Mats, big up yourself, you know. I'm good. Cooking some food, you know, listen to some good music, you know what I mean? Whole of vibes, isn't it? We are cook something nice. We are cook down all this in a coconut milk right now. With some shrimp. You don't know we are flavor it. Yo, just watch and see me.
10 o'clock, me say it a get late and 11 o'clock, me a contemplate and 7 I go get vexed, me still a wait and don't watch the lateness, now we a Jamaican 12 o'clock, we made us see him, me start to rip 1 o'clock, I got turn into panic me start wonder if them have the put a cap in my head and feel guilty, oh, my vex when I'm on family next pick up my phone and start calling jump in on my car and go circle some things come back in the news and start fall on the floor with me.
Yeah man, big up. Yo, D, thanks for the follow, you know. We have some girl to catch up to, you know. Put a pepper in it. Put a piece of garlic in it. Crush it, you know. But you see what going on? Bean them, pimento them, turn over rasta. Throw something in it. You know what I say? Yeah man, red snapper, you know? Yeah man, flavor up in the oil, man. The creature go nicer, you know? Some red snapper, you know? Oil hot and nice. Well seasoned, you know? Alright. Yo, Jai, big up to the follower, you know. Welcome to the kitchen. Feel free to share the live, tap up the screen. The seasoning with some, your seasoning the sea creature with your favorite seasoning, man. Anything you have in the cupboard can use, isn't it? Yeah, man. You don't need no specific seasoning, you know. The most important thing you need, let me tell you now, most important thing you need is pimento. You see me I say? That's the most important thing you need. You see me, that full of flavor, you know? Yeah. Yeah man, all of them things are going to cook them right now. Yeah man, just cut it up, you know, you have to cut it up small, you know, just cut it up, you know. It's a baby bab chow, you see me? See it? Very small. Yeah man, Milan June, thank you very much, you know what I mean? Yeah man, welcome to the kitchen. Yeah. And now I have to cut it up too small, you know. I know everything will shrink already. Sharon, big up yourself, you know. Jai, you know the thing going, you know. You know? I will try eat healthy and now we can't wait till we reach 50 and 40 and then get there. You know? Lady Libra. Yeah man, yo, I love Brussels sprouts, you know. You see Brussels sprouts? Like a kind of my favorite. I like the taste where Brussels sprout give, you know. Lady Libra, you don't know the thing though, you know. If you want some, you're probably far right now, but then I Bronx, Mount Vernon right now. You see me? Yeah man, roast Brussels sprout, that sounds good now, we'll try that. Isn't it? I bust them in a half though, you know? See okra now. Bust off there. Part there go tough, you know? You don't want that. Now wash them after. Well brought up, girl. Yeah man, me record my lives and me upload it on YouTube, you know. YouTube at TopChefDundyplace. You can find me over there. You can get this video over there maybe tomorrow or so. You know? We cook all Jamaican food. Yeah man. Medellin, big up yourself, you know, Medellin. Lisa, you know the thing go. Welcome to the kitchen, you know. Cooking some red snapper right now.
So get up and keep your eyes on the prize. So as part of your plan. ambition. And the Almighty One is your foundation. Hey, nobody can make your wish because that's definitely wrong. I'm making a don't forget your friends and where you come from. If you want me, remember God's mercy. And I do your rubber man.
Carrot. Can't find none where you at. For New York, the man Callaloo there, man. Yeah, Jamaican food, my opinion is the best, you know what I mean? My opinion though, you know? And we're making some red snapper right now. With some shrimp, some white rice. You know what I mean? We are doing it on the Top Chef way, you know? Some cook different over here. With some white rice. You see me? Big up yourself, you know, man. No veggies, right? But it has a shrimp. Pumpkin, isn't it? Wash it, you know. We're not gonna peel. And you don't know, you know. Not tonight, you know, maybe another time. Okay? Big up yourself though, and Sharon. Right now, I'm there in New York right now. A place called Mount Vernon. You see me? Mostly Jamaicans live where I am at right now. You know? So they have mostly Caribbean groceries at the store. See pepper, we're not gonna bust it, you know. JC, what you deal with? Yo. Alright, I think we finished with all these stuff right here. Cooking some red snapper. Yeah man, the fish have well done, man. See me? Well, me like it crispy, I saw me like it, you know? You see me, Sharon? It done, man, it done frying and I just like crispy it up, you know? I want it breaking. Look at that.
There's no doubt that you are special, baby. So the song is sentimental, baby.
See there no black man.
I wanna see
You just fry well done, you know.
me.
Tampa. No, me been to Orlando. Went there, you know, bring my family there on vacation. You know, me and my family went on vacation there. Look at that. The man of the top chef, man. Soon coming on the comment, soon forward back to the comment. Give me a second, let me people. Damn, you see it? Nothing me have to do, you know. Some coconut milk, you know. Yo, big up everybody over there in the chat, you know. Tashara, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, in the oil you put your garlic, your thyme, your scallion, some pimento beans, and a scotch bonnet pepper. You see me I say? That make it taste better. Yeah, me fry 2 fish, me have 2 more left, you know. Golden brown, you know. Big up everybody over there, man. Bami is made from cassava, you know what I mean? See, me can show you. See, bami is made from cassava. See? Yeah, same thing, same thing. Listen. No, it's not made yet. I have to make it first. Yeah. Yeah, man, so coconut milk now, you know. In our aspect. Oh. Snow. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, man. Yeah, man. Basically, it's a cassava bread. Yeah, man. positive. Alright. Piece of butter in it now. You don't want to catch it. Yeah, grandmother used to make it. Yeah, man, have some bojo we are playing, man, you know. Some classic reggae music, dancehall. You don't want too much butter in it, you just want a touch, you know. You want that make that go and cook down. Alright, I look up at that way, I cook a look up at the rice, you know, I don't want too much rice, you know.
Chasing stars with sense of wine. Never can wait for only walking the skies. Hoping for the best, but it's not the worst. How you gonna jump up on my nose? Don't let us stay young, let us stay forever. So the powers that we never see.
Now second them people.
Can you imagine when we face this world? Have to turn our faces into the sun. Living on evils, we can't even see the music better. Never, forever young. I will be forever young. If you really wanna live forever, 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 forever young. I wanna be forever young. If you really wanna live forever, enemies come before the light, enemies, it will be never done.
Alright, Selassie. They say you love snapper. They say you have a plate. Everybody have a plate. One bomb me a fry now. Now I gotta put over this today. Yeah man, you have to soak it. I should have soak it long time, but I do too much thing and I forget about the damn thing. Sorry for the bad word, you know, because it's a family show, you know. Yeah man. So what we normally do, we cut it down the middle and cut it again like this. Drop in at the bowl, I'll do it drop by itself. You say look? You see it? Yeah man. Your mouth watering? Go and soak. You should not soak long time, it'll be better, you know? But no only the one. This me can save for another day. Put it in a Ziploc bag bowl, yeah? So you keep it fresh. Brown one more time.
It's the same thing that we say when you put your
Alright, we have the rice. Now wash it. The plate waiting. Alright, I got you. Wash your rice. That's one bubble, isn't it? I get some. Yeah man, Verly, big up yourself, you know. Alright, we'll put some time in there. Tell about the pimento being full of flavor, you know. I'll just put some like, isn't it? I think a scallion in it now. Isn't it? Pudding, big up yourself, you know. Mrs. DDW. Well, go on. Trouble in the kitchen, though. You see, hold on there. Give me a second there, yeah? What's up, baby?
Because it always tastes good.
Thank you, baby. One piece of butter and that. Yeah, man. Well done. So now I've got the pot there. Want some butter, Mrs.? Butter rice, you know? Butter not good for you, though, you know, so you use too much all over my humans. Look at it. So. Of course, man, do that same thing, man. Copy my style, man. Yeah, man, music, some nice dancehall, reggae music, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yo, Lady Libra, coconut milk is the best with sea creature, you know what I mean? With snapper, shrimp, that's the best. Try it, trust me. You're not gonna, you're gonna say, yo, what you've been missing out. You know, coconut milk is the best, I guarantee it. You see me? And we have some snapper here, so. We have some shrimp over here, so. Seasoned up and ready for go in the pot when the pot both is done. You see me, I say? And we have, what else we have? We have some bunny. Two between shrimp, you know? And one sea creature. You know, like when you cook down like that, you can taste it. Make sure it's seasoned for your liking, you know what I mean? Get a little more flavor still. My people, the full video gonna be on my YouTube channel. You know what I mean? My YouTube channel is TopChefDundyplace. Go subscribe, you know? So tomorrow, I put up that video here, maybe tonight. So we use some fish tea, soup mix. I don't want the I don't want the noodles in it, you know? I hate the noodles. Make sure your hand clean, you know? That's all. Mix done, you know? DJ, where you going?
Taking this party to the next level. DJ Lynn, digging in the crates and chopping up the breaks. It's DJ Lynn, taking you back, dropping all the old school joints on your head. DJ Lynn. You're listening to DJ Lynn, the best one boy in the town.
Eat that. Oh my God. Big up yourself, you know, Nelisha. Well, go on. Me have pudding. Me have fry some bammies right now, you know what I mean? Basically done now still. Oh, wow. Have mercy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's bad. Pudding, you hungry? Put them ton on the rice pot. Shrimp, guys, shrimp. So this is a pot that almost done. Oh, buddy. Watch this. Yeah, man, keep your ear right and multitasking at the same time. Everything look good, you know, man. Jesus. You probably can and never tried it before. You can try. You could try it. Air fry the bami. I'm not sure though. And that bubble up for 5 minutes and turn off the stove. Not even 5 minutes, about 3 minutes or so. The rice pot deep one last stir, wake up everything, you see me? Make sure it's everything level. That's evening. You can't see what I'm going. Done, you know. Turn off the stove. So we have to wait for the rice to done. I'm share out some for make us see what's going on.
Stop playing with my mind. You call me on the phone, and now I want you home.
Not a bag of mouth. So I'm not sure what it's looking like. Hope them not gonna catch me in the kitchen and eat out the food, you know? Yeah, man. Look at that. Oh, look, my friends. Brussels sprouts, okra. Brussels sprout. You know what I mean? Pumpkin. Oh God. Pumpkin sweet. Yeah. Irish potato. Pudding, big up yourself, you know. Sharon, big up yourself, you know. Lady Libra, big up yourself, you know. I hold that up top. Big up on yourself, you know. This is just a sample, you know. Eat this with some rice. Oh my god. Okra. Yeah, man. Who are come for dinner? Lady Libra, big up yourself, you know. The amount of water already. Can make some combination, you know. Even the skin of the pumpkin can eat, you know. Everything. Good for you, you know. Yo, I wish I could share it with you now. I swear. Thing nice. Yeah, man, feel free, people. I try to reach 10,000 followers right now by March, you know. So feel free, if the food look good and you love the vibes, just follow the page, man, you know. That's all. Big up on yourself too, you know. Tracy, I'm not ready for the fish yet, man. Yeah, they do, you know. Yeah, man, my people though, hear me I say, we have 118 people right now. So if you don't follow the page, please follow. You see me I say, if you follow the page, I'll eat one of the fish right now. You see me? Click the follow button, friends. Tomorrow Sunday, you know, is a bigger cooking day, you know. On Sundays we don't play around in the kitchen, you know, so we can cook together tomorrow. Yeah, man. Bedfordshire. Where's that? Anita, big up for the follow, you know. Pudding, big up for the follow, you know, and big up for the share, you know. Bobby, big up yourself, you know. Tara, big up yourself, you know. Miland, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, click the follow button, my people. Click the follow button. 10,000 we want, you know what I mean? Sharon, big up for the share, you know. You see me, I say? Park Luton is England. Yo, big up for the share. Tara, big up for the share. You see me right now, we are waiting for the rice to done. see me I say? Make sure say. So tomorrow we are gonna cook again tomorrow, you know, guys. We're gonna cook again tomorrow. I try to cook for around about maybe 2 o'clock in the evening. You know what I mean? Or maybe earlier. You see me? See it? That's the bami, you know? Feel good. Yo, make sure you not follow the Top Chef, you know, please, my people. We want 10,000 likes by March. Arlene, big up yourself, you know. Or you work till 5, pudding. So alright, I start 4:30, you know what I mean? So you can catch a piece of it, you see me? I start 4:30. So tomorrow we live 4:30, guys. You see me? Back again, I'm not sure what I cook tomorrow. Yeah. You know what I mean? But we'll cook something tomorrow, you know? Some rice and peas for sure. Sharon, big up yourself, you know the thing. You see me? So tomorrow, 4:30 we are go live. 4:30 or 5. You see me? So follow the page so you can know say when we go live, you see me? Number 3. Yeah, man, blessings, you know, more blessings to you, you know. If you don't know how to follow, look at the top left corner. Top left corner, click down the place, and you see my page pop up, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, Milan, I know you follow. I see it. Oh, regular lady, big up yourself for the follow then, you know? You know the thing going, you know? Big up. Big up everybody we pass through tonight. Every single body, you see it? You know the thing going, you know? Something must be wrong. Girl, I would like to be the only in your life. I want to be the only man. Pray for the
original affection. One man can't run all a combination. She got look, she don't see the miss a mother. Take a long song. Give me the girl every the wickedest love. The kind of girl when you feel up up she man. And if you want to get the medal, you have to get a slap to the real girl again. Give me the girl every the wickedest love. The kind of girl when you feel up up she man. And if you want to get the medal, you have to get a slap from the real girl. And if you never get a friend on the wheel, and if you never have your banana peel, and if you want to go good love in feel, you have to find a girl where you have a feel. And if you love your girlfriend to ya, but you're not gonna stand where you want. Only one thing you want is come, this girl boy along. Loving is a thing worth the money you won't get. Some can't perform so them getting upset.
You can take out the time and them things there, no? The purpose already. Rice done, you know.
I know you wanna know about now suppose. Woman be know their position and pose. Does it don't matter about your money or your pride. Man, I know I really
That's right.
it don't matter if you're rich or you're poor. Cause every man want the best girl for. Then if I use the whole of God, I'll be more busy with the sound of the signal. Rock up your chair and you look for the evil skill. Sing your line to make him worse to you. Him well war and him a just to get back to spot. But you know food we go make the boy use you. Can't show how you look for no evil skill. And him a do only but him can't get you. If you should have it better, I don't want him to you. But see, they know the love of boy get. Yeah. You don't the big top drink on the floor. The boy no say it no one you know. You use some love so you say I bet you wanna make it personal but you
Alright, sharing time, you know. Alright, they can choose rice or no rice, you know. But me want everything. Put on the sea creature. You see me I say? Put that on me right there, so. Look at that. At the top chef, you know. Shrimp and vegetarian, you know. Take up the time, you know. And get rid of the time because we're not going to eat the time, you know. Yeah, man, throw some on the sea creature, man, make it so keen, you know. Oh, me look the people. You bomb me now, everything you know it ready, you know. Yeah, close up, you know. You see me I said, look at that. You eat this, you don't want nothing more, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. We come to the end of the show, my people. You see me I say? Some red snapper of the fish. You see me I say click the follow button my people and big up on yourself. You see me I say the pot just done. We are going to link up back tomorrow 5 o'clock. You see me I say big up on yourself. Lady and big up yourself, you know. You see me I say pudding big up yourself, you know. 5 o'clock we are soon back. You see me I say where your fish there? Reggae lady. You know say you come late do enough. Somebody did ask the fish and you get share out. Sorry about that. Maybe next time, alright? Lady and bless up, you know. You see me I say? Have a great night, everybody. Milan, have a great night too, you know? Yeah, man, I saw it go, man. You know, exercise every morning. You see me I say 6 o'clock. So we work off it back. You see me I say? Yeah, man. You don't know where you go. Yeah, man, big up everybody. We out, you see me? You don't know, I wish me could have cooked a little longer. The food done. You see me I say? Time to go eat it, you know. Bless up Anita, you don't know the thing go. Medellin, big up yourself. You see me I say? Reggae lady, big up yourself. Milan, big up yourself. Big up everybody. You see me I say? Check out the channel. TopChefDundyplace on YouTube. You see me I say? We out. Check out the page. Me have every recipe. Big up.
Freezer.